Hey folks, Jay here with another video. This is a follow-up video on my driveway problem at the lake. So, last video on the driveway, I showed that we had a heavy rain and it washed away all my driveway. So I have an update today. Today's Saturday, August 11th, and my terrific neighbor, terrific Tom, and his terrific tractor has helped me out with my driveway, and it looks a lot better. Just show you. Here's what it looks like now. So last video it was all washed out, all of this was washed out, and he has come through with his tractor and leveled it out for me. Looks a lot better. All the rain had washed all of that into my front yard area, which is right here. So Tom took his tractor and scooped out as much as he could off the lawn area here, and yeah, I got some more work to do to shovel it out and rake it out a little bit, but at least it's 100% better. You can see where he's leveled this part out too. Anyway, it helps to have great neighbors like my buddy Tom. So, thank you, Tom. Thanks a lot. So now, I'm gonna spend the rest of this morning shoveling all this stuff out of off of the yard part. We can always plant new grass, part of the deal. But at least it's a lot better. So that's it. This is a quick video. Just wanted to say thank you, Tom, and thanks to having good neighbors. Helps to have good neighbors. And, so I'm going to get at it before it rains. See you next time.